These are a few photos of my favorite alligator on the Hillsborough River in the Temple Terrace area. This is a one-eyed female, about 7 feet long, shown here with some of her babies on her back, and then one with one baby on her head. I wish I had gotten some video of this particular scene, but I do have some video of other alligators and birds on the river. I hope you enjoy.
Spectacular display of two great egrets, fanning their feathers, preening. And I went upstream from the birds and got myself stuck in some vegetation here so I'm not blowing around in the current and the wind. It's okay, buddy, I'm just passing by. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Oh, good. Whoops. Got kind of close to the shoreline here. Great blue heron. I am about 5 feet from the shore here. And I'm heading back downstream. And I'll be heading towards the Lettuce Lake Park itself and see how far into the park I can get. I know the water levels are dropping.
Here's another photo of one eye. You can see that her left eye is damaged. She's basking. She has her mouth open to regulate her temperature. And now here's a couple scenes, some video of her and her baby.
How you doing, Mama?
And we'll close out this video with a very short clip of a very large male basking on the shoreline. I'm a little concerned about that right eye. I hope it's not damaged. This is a relatively newcomer to this area of the river, and I hope to see a lot more of it. He's very skittish.
Hi, big guy. How you doing, buddy? You're a beauty. We finally have a replacement for Big Daddy.